It is Thursday evening, and the preparation for the Passover meal is taking place all over Jerusalem. Jesus and his disciples are having a conversation in that last moment, and in fact, Jesus is reminding them that he'll be leaving soon. They will kill him. Johannes 16 vers 30, ons besef ook nou dat u alles weet en niemand hoef u verder uit te vra nie. Daardeur is ons oortuig dat u van God af gekom het. Jesus het hulle geantwoord, glo julle nou, kyk daar kom 'n tyd en dit het reeds aangebreek, dat julle uitmekaar gedryf sal word, elkeen op sy eie. Terwyl julle my alleen agterlaat, tog is ek nie alleen nie, omdat die Vader by my is. I have told you these things, so that in me you may have peace. In this world you will have trouble, but take heart, I have overcome the world. Jesus was getting ready to say goodbye. Many years had to say goodbye recently. Some in the last few weeks said goodbye to a loved one. Some of us had to say goodbye a few months ago, maybe a year or more ago, but the hurt and the pain of saying goodbye is still there.